there was one at one point in time when I was a bachelor, there was one app where we used to order, and then it was later when you become bachelor, no, even if you forget once, that becomes a big hassle for sure, because that's a deal. So you have to be careful in keeping the count, and then how you are using, and then how often you have to order. You have to keep track of your usage in first place, and then second, you have to not forget not to order, because when you have family and if you have kids, then again it's very important. Before COVID, everything was getting delivered to us in front of doorstep. Because of COVID, they have to follow some norms, and we also have to follow some norms. We used to literally carry, I used to have 4 cans for a week, so I used to carry all 4 of them in my scooty, and then I used to give it to them. I used to get all those cans still down, and then from there I have to again use lift and then get it, and then I have to wash all of them with water because of my own safety I had in mind. So that was the whole workaround that was going for water. Simple. I've got to know Drink Prime. I went onto website. I have placed an order. I got to know that I have to pay an initial payment of 2,000 rupees, if I'm not wrong. If I recollect, it's been like 6 months, 7 months. I think 2,000 rupees. You have to pay your deposit on the same day if it is possible. They'll deliver you the installation kit, and on the next day they're gonna come for installation. So on the installation day, one thing that you have to be careful, you have to know where is your tap valve that is present. So if it is big apartment, you should be really knowing where it is. For some people, it is just below your sink, or else you have to know the tap valve. So that was slightly that I had to go to. So once you know the tap valve, all that you have to do is just stop it for 15-20 minutes. They're gonna connect and install it in 15 minutes, and then you're all ready to use. And then they'll check they have checked the TDS. They have showed, and they have asked me to taste the water. If I'm okay, then they are okay, or else maybe they would have altered or maybe bettered me for something else. So that's how the whole process went. Definitely easy. All that you have to do is switch on, and then you're all set. It's gonna refill on its own, and then you have to just fill it or use it from there directly. First thing first, after I've installed the first service, I did not know when the 30 days was over. So your team, Drink Prime team itself has called me saying that it's like 1 month, so we are gonna come for service. They themselves have asked, and then they have removed and then cleaned, because they have cleaned on their own, and then they went on. I think, definitely it is on affordable side. It's not like so much high, and then you can just have a TDS meter, and you can have a check on it. Maybe initially, if you don't trust, if I did not trust Drink Prime, I had my own TDS, and I was checking always. It was consistent, so there was no compromise in the water quality, I felt, from the time I've started using till date. And secondly, if you think that if you can handle that manual things, yeah, I'm okay. But if you are not willing to take that in manual things, and then if you have family and then many more things, it's just simple thing. Just you have to switch it on, and then it is all done. So hassle free, no mental tension and stuff.